Look at this Hassa Curry. So mouth-watering. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat this. Let's do a little taste test with the rice. So one of the best fish from Guyana would always be Hassa Curry. Today we're going to make some nice delicious Hassa Curry, and I'm taking you guys along with me as I prepare and cook this Hassa. Now Hassa is one of the sweetest fish I've ever had. Growing up, it's one of the best things I would look forward for. So I'm craving this today, so let's make some. Lemon juice. Now we have some vinegar. Now I'm adding some flour here. And I'm gonna go clean this up nicely with my bare hands. Take away all this rankness. Well, most of it. Let the Hassa swim there. We're gonna cut up this onion. Anybody like cutting onion? I hate cutting onion because it makes me cry. So this is my whole onion. I'm gonna cut it up. Just cut, cut, cut. And yes, we're gonna use all this onion. Even though I don't like cutting onions, I love to use onions in my food because it gives it good flavoring. So we're gonna use all of this. We're gonna pour in some oil, leave it to hot. And I'm gonna add in my onion and garlic to fry up nice and get golden brown. Keep that a little mix. I'm gonna start adding in our curry powder. Now this is indie curry powder. Do you see how it's so yellow? That's what I love about indie curry powder. It is so nice, and it's gonna make this curry get a nice yellowish color. So I'm happy to be using indie right now. And we'll put this on this side. Masala. So we're gonna use some masala now. Add it in again. So the same ratio of masala versus the same ratio of curry powder. And then I'm also adding in cumin or jeera. People don't add it in, but I like to add it. I like flavor in my pot. So I would add everything that I can. to my pot. Look at me cooking this nice curry. And I'm gonna mix it up so the curry loses all the flavor in this oil. I've been noticed I didn't use a lot of oil. That's because I'm gonna add water to this. Now I'm gonna add some nice hot water. They're not gonna take too long to bubble up and cook. Let the curry continue to lose that flavor and blend in nicely. Oh, if you can smell this, this smells so good. Now I'll add some, what's this thing called again? I forgot. Aji. I'm adding some aji now to this pot. And I'm also going to add salt as I'm on it right now. So you average based on how many salt you're allowed to eat or you eat. So yeah. See how it's getting loose and nice and it's blending in? This is how the consistency you want your curry to be. So nice. The pack back thing as soon as I'm cooking. I don't want to be stuck in the kitchen. So as I'm cooking, I just quickly pack back everything where it has to go. What you do, you're always going to make some kind of mess in this kitchen. It always happens. So time to wait till at the end. I just do it in between my sessions. Only one wiri pepper because Justin likes pasta really bad and he thinks it's chicken fish. He calls it chicken fish. So I'm not going to be adding any pepper much. Main course, you're going to add in this hassa. I'll let it cook nicely with this curry before I add more water for it to boil. So let it fry up nice in this curry. I'm gonna add piece of my Guyana green mango, which you know is so green and yummy. I'm gonna make this curry taste so good. This next part is really optional, but if you're like me and you love coconut milk in your Hassa curry and food that you really enjoy, I would just add some to this curry to give it some nice flavor. The one I'm using is by Grace coconut milk. See how it looks creamy and nice. I'm not adding too much, just a little. And see how that? So delicious. Oh my god, this is looking good. I'm gonna add hot water. I'll let it bubble up and cook nice. Give me a nice curry consistency and cook that hassa. So you're gonna have some nice hassa curry. We're gonna see what we're gonna eat it with. It's roti or rice, but it goes with both. This is one of the sweetest fish, guys. If you know, you know. And if you don't eat this, then too bad. All right, you guys. So our curry is almost done. I've added in some green onions on the top. I let it simmer a little so it has like this nice shallot kind of smell and taste. So yeah, this is what our Hassa curry looks like. So yummy, so delicious. I'm gonna be having mine with rice, and Justin wants roti with his. I have dal puri in the fridge, so I'm gonna give him dal puri. So I cannot wait to eat this, guys. So yummy, so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I mean, look at that curry. Look at that Hassa. Guyanese Hassa for you now, right? Ooh. And then we need gravy. And then we need more gravy. And then we need this pepper. This Hassa curry, so mouth-watering. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this. Let's do a little taste test with the rice. Mmm, so delicious.